Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Josette Nilda Stanton, and I'm an assessment design partner at Envision Learning Partners. And today I'm excited to invite you to my two-part Too Much workshop series. The first part is Doing Too Much, Disrupting the Transference of STEM Trauma, where we get a chance to talk to one another around some of the traumas that we've endured that bleeds into our classrooms as educators, as well as what our students may be experiencing when it comes to STEM education and the way we see ourselves or don't see ourselves in science. The second part is don't do too much, which is talking about HQPA and STEM assessments. So we'll be looking at culturally responsive practice as well as diversity, equity, and inclusion, and how to authentically build that into the work that we do to shift from going to just buzzwords to actually thriving scientific learning communities. Now, this is a two-part series, but you do not have to attend both workshops. However, I would love to see everyone at both if you can attend. Also, this is not just for STEM educators. In fact, I would encourage people who do not see themselves as STEM educators to come into these conversations because often, if and when they are happening, they're only happening within the STEM community. And it also deals with some of that trauma around why we don't think we are STEM educators because we're not directly teaching STEM. So, if you can, I would love to see you at both and let me know if you have any questions moving forward before we get to these workshop series.